So this next technique is to help you release the perineal membrane. The perineal membrane is this part of the superficial layer of the pelvic floor, but it's actually sandwiched with connective tissue and fascia. It's actually the superficial muscles right here that you see on the pelvic floor model, and it goes from the sit bone all the way up to the pubic bone. Now, to find it, what you're going to do is you're going to find your sit bone on yourself. You're going to slide 3 to 4 fingers inside the bone. You're going to hook inside the bone. So you're going to be against the bone, but not on the bone itself. As you make your way in through this tissue, it should feel sort of like a trampoline. It should feel soft. If it's really hard and tight, well, you know you have to work in this area. All right, up next, I'm going to show you how to find the perineal membrane on a live model. All right, so let's practice these releases on yourself. Go ahead and find your sit bones. Slide in so that you're actually inside the bone. Good. Now go ahead and massage this area. This is the perineal membrane. You're massaging and you're going up and down and side to side. Great.